Hello, this is Greg from over at My Basement Garden. Remember a video or two I was talking about this red banana pepper plant? Said it was looking like it was about at the end of its lifespan anyway. And there's still some fruit on it back in there, and there's one there. And I just had a light go off. Another one there. So I was gonna pull the plant after those were all ready. But then here we go. We got some new flowers. We got a bunch in there, and that plant, and we got a bunch there. So I've been pollinating them, and should have some more peppers come out of this one. And also I've been fighting a mild case of the mites. I think I got them whipped. It looks like there's going to be some more flowers there. And there too. So I had to clip a lot of the plant down and run my mean oil over it a few days in a row. So I'm about ready to do that again tonight after I water and take care of a few more things. But that's that pepper plant. It's at and this is, it came up last February, so we're almost a year old on this plant. This one's starting to turn. So it looks like there's several places where there's going to be some new flowers coming in. Down here too. You didn't even see these. Yeah, there's at least half a dozen, if not 8, on that stem right there. So this will be the 3rd flowering on this plant. So that's my red banana pepper plant, and them are a little spicy. They aren't hot or nothing, but they got a little bite to them. Kids say they do anyway.